Hey my lovelies, happy new year. So this video is going to be on how I laid this bob. I hope you enjoy. So guys, this is the cap I use a Spandex cap. You can get it from a hair shop or a beauty supply store, as you call it in the US. So what I like to do, I like to place my closure first because it's just easier, so you just know where the closure goes. Because if you start with the hair, obviously you're gonna have to stop mid part and start doing the closure, and I don't like that. I like to do the closure first and then just do the rest after. That way I find it easier than doing sewing hair first. So what I'm doing, I'm just using some T-pins. I'm pinning down all four corners. All four corners of the closure. I'm gonna use some hair clip to clip away the hair, just because I don't want it to get on my way when I'm sewing down this closure. The hair is clipped away. You can now begin to sew. What you wanna do, you wanna remove the first T-pin and then start sewing from the front of the closure to the back, and then just, yeah, you know what I mean. It's easy, just follow this video, it's pretty easy. I like to use a curved needle because it's easier for me. If you like to use a straight needle, then that's up to you, and you can use that. It doesn't really matter what you use. Just want to sew down the closure, and then you're going to move on to the bundles.
You shot my conscience, flew up to the sky. Are you still giving? But now I'd ask you why.
When you get to the end of the closure, you want to make sure you tie a knot. This is very important. You don't want your closure to come out after like 2 days. No, you make sure you tie a knot, okay? And then you can cut your thread. Now let's move on to the bundles. I like to secure one end of the bundle with a T-pin. This way I can sew like easily. This way is quicker, okay? Make sure you secure one end, and then when you sew the other end, you secure that as well, like I did, okay? So you just want to sew it. It's pretty easy how to sew. If you don't know how to sew your wig, or if this is your first time watching a wig video, you can I'll leave a card up here so you can go and check my how to make a wig step-by-step video, how to make a closure wig step-by-step video. That way you can proper get your knowledge right. I don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah guys, I'm using a fold over method. I hate cutting down my bundles. Like, why am I gonna cut my bundles? This is virgin hair, even though I get it for free sometimes. But I just hate cutting my bundles. Like, most of the time I don't cut my bundles. Like, sometimes I do, but most of the times I just prefer not to, okay? Because it's hella expensive. In this case, I think I did cut this bundle. I think I separated it into 4. Why? But yeah, it doesn't really matter, guys. You want to do this until you get to the top where your closure is, and when you get to the top you want to connect your closure with your bundle. So basically just sew your bundle where the closure is sewn, like connect them together. That way nobody can see the space between your closure and where your bundle is sewn. You don't want that. That's a ratchet. You don't want that, okay? So make sure you connect it just like I'm doing right here. And yeah, it's pretty easy. You can do it, girl. You can do it. Come on, girl. I'm cheering for you. Okay. I'm so crazy. Now you want to tie double knots before cutting any excess piece of the bundle, and yeah, make sure you tie double knots because you don't want that. Yeah, this is optional. I like to do this. I like to make my closure to look as natural as possible. So I'm tweezing out some hair. I'm plucking out some hair just to make it look like a frontal. But yeah, and you just wanna obviously straighten down your hair before. This is before cutting it. I'm gonna cut it into a bob, obviously. But before that, you wanna straighten your hair and make your paw. I wanted it as a middle paw, so obviously I'm straightening the hair. I'm using a curly one to make sure the hair is flat at the top. I like my hair flat. I don't like it bumpy. No, we don't like a bumpy hair right here. You know, you want to make it look as natural as possible, so you want it flat. Like some people, I'm not gonna say that's being shady, little. The reason why I like to straighten my hair before cutting it is because you want it to be the same length when you cut it. Because if you don't straighten it before and you cut your hair, trust me, girl, when you straighten it, it won't be the same length, and you're gonna have to do it over and over again. Okay, and you don't want that because cutting hair can be kind of a headache, and you don't want no headache, baby. It's 2018. You want to be at peace, girl. Oh my god, was I singing then? Oh my goodness. Okay. So guys, something else I like to do is take some hair mousse, and this hair mousse will just help me lay down all the flyaways, and this will make your wig flat at the top as well. If you don't have a curling wand or something to make your wig flat, you can use you can use hair mousse to flatten down your hair. Trust me, it works just as fine as the curling. Okay, I just prefer the mousse sometimes because it makes sure that the flyaways are laid down as well. Now I'm using the hair clippers. Do you call it clippers? I don't even know what you call it, girl. Tondeuse in French. Yeah, we're gonna use some hair clippers. Is it clippers? I don't even know. We're gonna use this thing the boys use to cut their hair, and we're gonna cut out the bob. We're gonna cut down this hair. This hair was pretty long. I'm gonna leave the length of the hair down below how it was before. I can't remember offhand. Yeah, then we're just gonna cut a bob. You want to make sure you cut it long first, and then you can go up and up, because if you cut it short, girl, you don't want that. Make sure you cut it long first, and then you can cut it shorter and shorter and shorter. But just be careful, make sure it's longer first. You cut it longer first, because cutting hair it can be kind of a headache, like I said before. Oh my god, did you see my natural hair? Don't laugh at me, okay? Once you're done cutting, you wanna try the wig first. I tried mine and it was fine. I find it a bit shorter, but then I was fine with it after. So yeah, it was fine. Then you wanna get your straightener, your what do you call it? Your straightening iron, and then you wanna obviously straighten down the hair, and you can curve it if you want to, like I'm doing right now. It's pretty easy. Just follow this step, girl. So that's it, girl. This is our wig. Yes, our wig. Yes, it's ours because we made it together. Look how bomb it looks. Do you see that? Do you see that? Oh my goodness. This is our wig, girl. Our wig. Me and yours. Okay? Mine and yours. We can share it. Okay? Now, do you see how bouncy it looks? Wow. So gorgeous. So now you want to cut out the lace. So what you want to do, you want to take some clip and clip back the lace, the hair on the lace, both parts. And then take your scissors and cut the lace. You want to be careful, do it slow, take your time, okay? Don't be like me, I'm used to this, so take your time to cut. Don't cut any hair, just cut the lace, okay? So yeah, look at how it looks like someone's natural hair. Wow, that's gorgeous. That's it, girl. So guys, this is how the wig looks like on my head. This is like, I think about a month after I made that video, guys. I didn't get time to sit down and film an intro for that video, so I decided to do it today. Yes, today, the day you're watching this video. No, actually, some people might watch it on Sunday or Saturday, but yeah, today, Thursday, the 10th. Is it the 11th or the 10th? The 11th of January. So yeah, I was just recording this makeup look. If you haven't realized, this is the makeup look I had on my frontal video. I gotten so many requests on that, and I decided to film it because you guys was gonna kill me, huh? So yeah, guys, I'm just straightening this hair to make it look on fleek. So yeah, now I'm just taking my concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro concealer, and I'm literally just putting it down my part just to make it look more natural and that. So yeah, this is a really. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I